what to do whenever you are near. Don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Someday I'll fly away. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in the most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time, all the time. Ayan, these are the songs that we all grew up listening to, and that brings us back to a time where life was simple and carefree. Naku po, a lot of those kinds of songs were written by our next guest. Odette Quesada first gained fame when she won second place at the 1982 Metro Manila Pop Music Festival with the song Give Me a Chance, as performed by Rick Segreto. We just sang a song by Rick Segreto that Rick also sang, and she also snagged first place with Till I Met You, and that was performed by the Philippines' premier diva at the time, Miss Kula Desma. The rest of the 80s was filled with her music, most sang by the era's superstars. Let us take you back with her beautiful music that has been recorded and sang by the who's who of Philippine singers. Odette Quesada is here together with Annie Nepomuceno, wearing her producer's hat, and pop tenor Erwin Andaya. Hi, guys!
Hi!
Ang saya naman natin, you know, getting to sing here on the show is something I don't get to do often, but I'm so glad ang ating producer has invited me to be ikaw.
Yeah, because you sing. A lot of people don't remember that you sing. You had an album out in the Philippines, di ba?
A lot of people don't remember that I sing, too.
No, but they will be reminded now because a lot of people, of course, remember Odette's songs, and they're very dear to us.
Yes, kinalakihan natin ang mga kanta ni Miss Odette
Puro
Quesada.
pinalaki.
No, but I mean, it just shows that you have this legacy of music.
I thought it just shows how old you are.
No.
No, I, for one, I'm very proud of your legacy. I mean, if I could only do like this much of what you had done.
Yung catalog niya napaka-wide natin.
Sige nga, ano-ano yung mga kanta niya, Erwin?
Till I Met You.
Oh, ha?
Ayoko na Sana by Ariel Rivera.
Ay, alam ko yun! Sikat na sikat yun! Uy, okay!
Gawa niya yun, hindi mo alam, no?
Oo, I think...
Ikaw, bakit
Hindi mo
napaka-humble?
rin alam.
Odette, you're so humble.
I don't know about that. I'm just...
Hindi ka affected na yung mga kanta mo, pag naririnig ng mga Pilipino, talagang alam nila na, wow, these were songs that were very, very, very popular.
Meron ding mga kanta na I think na hindi natin alam na siya pala yung sumulat.
Oo.
'Di ba? Parang yung sa Bagets.
Ay, yung kantang Bagets?
Growing Up by Gary Valenciano.
I see. Okay. Well, now, because we have the piano, let's make use of it. Odette, mag-game tayo. Sige nga, tugtugan mo kami. Tapos, if we know it,
guessing game?
Yes,
Guessing game ba ito?
ganyan.
Okay.
Masaya yan.
Kaya ba natin to?
Kinabahan akong konti. Sige nga.
Wait.
Each day, time won't let me have the chance.
It's already there.
Give me a
Give me a
chance.
chance.
God! Alam ko, you know, there are all these songs
No, you know the
alam
refrain.
mo.
I love you, can't you hear me?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Can't you please see through me?
Oh, babe, I need your love so badly. But I don't know my song.
It's no lie, so please believe me. In my heart, you see the real me. You just gotta give me a chance. Ayun, sa dulo na lang.
Sa dulo. One more chance.
Oh, kasi may recall talaga yung mga kanta.
Kanta ni Odette. Oh.
Yung iba nga akala ko foreigner yung sumulat, siya pala yung sumulat.
Oo, etong tanong,
A
Odette.
foreigner.
Parang ako. Diba? Half foreigner. Odette, a lot of the songs that you have created are in English. How do you feel when people ask, OPM ba yun? English naman.
OPM kasi Odette's personal music.
That's right.
Yeah, and I just came up with that on the fly. Yeah, because when I started writing, hindi pa uso nun yung English songs.
Oh, okay.
I mean, by a Filipino songwriter. Maybe a few were out. I think maybe Never Ever Say Goodbye was already out at the time. But it was just starting to play a lot of original Filipino music in English.
I see.
So that's the reason why I joined the Metropop, because finally they were allowing English songs in. Otherwise, my Tagalog songs are just
Okay. Well,
are just okay. Okay.
well, speaking of concert scenes, the last concert you held, I heard, as in, ang dami mong, you had to turn people away because, yun na nga,
That's
ang
why
daming tao.
you need to buy your tickets now.
Yeah,
Yes,
the ones who were turned away
Yes,
should
please.
buy now for this new show.
Yes. Well, alam mo naman ang Pilipino will always wait till the last minute.
October
I'm guilty.
11.
I'm
October
guilty
11.
of that, no? Okay, so there's a new concert that is happening. We will give you the details of that pagbalik natin. Odette, Erwin will be there. Of course, ang ating producer na si Annie/singer will be performing. Sinong kasama pa?
We have Matthew John on cello and
Yes.
Amin Bagalian, and we have a live band. It's live music.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah,
So
it's
it's gonna
always
be
the
a fun night. Join us. Okay? So pagbalik natin, we'll give you all the details here on Kababayan Today with Odette, Erwin, and Annie.